Looks like a spiral path along the mound. It's a cliff over there. Cliff down there. There's a lot of water down there. This is the place I had in mind one of the places to watch the eclipse. But you're not supposed to be in here after March. I forgot how close these junipers are to the rock wall. You have to see. Quarry. I wonder if that was a sculpture, because that's really old, and like there's nothing in there to get at, really. Wow. I thought that was a box. How straight that is. That's really crazy. Is it concrete? A lot of people that are obsessed with ancient rock cutting technologies, like, seem to be really opposed. I mean, some of them, not all of them, but like that there used to be ancient technology for making like really durable concrete. It's obvious that the quality of concrete has only gotten worse with time. Look at all those layers. Huh. Maybe it was a wall. Or maybe it was a quarry that became a wall. This is all... See all that glass? Well, that's plastic, but green glass, white glass. This could be a good spot to watch the eclipse too, dang. I'm trying to find where this path connects with 360 so I can move around a little easier. I know there's a fence there, but I know you can also squeeze under that fence. Alright, there's Bull Creek. Wow, really nice view. Let's see. There's a fence there. Castle on the hill. See, there dead ends into a fence in a gully. Yeah. I don't know, this doesn't seem right. Let's see. That must have been where that fence was, this path, because the gully did end up there, but if you go towards the right, you avoid it. So let's see if this takes us to a place we can get in and out of. Look, that's so weird. Like, they restricted more access. I mean, I guess that makes sense, but they don't really want people to be able to move around freely because they want to reserve the eminent domain to build more castles on hills. Okay, this is the parking lot. There's a bunch of cameras here. I don't think this is where I came out before. It'd probably be best to go down there because I think, yeah, the fence starts right there. No, there's no fence there. Okay. Yeah. It's completely But you used to be able to be. Like, there's still signs. Oops. This wasn't the spot I was thinking of at all. I guess it'd be the easiest, though, since it lands you right out at the trail. This is the fence. I can definitely slide under there, but I guess it would just be easier to go towards the parking lot.